In this video, you get a brief overview of the Innofalls visual and learn how to create a waterfall chart, learn the basics of our user interface, use our drill down history, add dynamic deviation charts, add stacking and grouping by columns, and you see how to add deviation charts between two measures. To get started, you need to fill the fields levels and values. To enable drill downs and expansions, you need to fill 2 or more dimensions into levels. You can also add more than one measure into values to get them stacked on top of each other. After you have filled these fields, you already have a running totals waterfall chart adding up all categories. Next, we want to have a look at how to create a delta waterfall chart. For this, we inspect our menu first. On the top edge of the component, we have the menu. On the left side, you can change chart types and orientation, besides other settings. We could select the delta waterfall chart directly, but for now, we want to create a delta waterfall by navigation. For this, we leave the waterfall scheme set to auto. On the right side, you have the navigation controls. It's quite like what standard components offer, with some differences. It includes undo and redo of our navigation steps, going up a drill down level, toggling of the drill down mode, expanding all categories of the current level, closing all categories of the current level, and zooming. Make sure the drill mode is enabled and click an element in your chart. After the drill down, you see a second chart above our main chart. This is our drill down history. Select a second element while holding your control key. Now, a delta waterfall is created between the two selected elements. You can make any selection to compare arbitrary combinations. Now, let's select a single element and direct your attention to the little button in the drill down history. After clicking it, our visual adds a deviation chart showing the difference between the selected element and the deviation category. You can select other elements. The deviation adjusts to your selection. The drill down history can be hidden anytime by toggling this button. To add stacking or grouping to your chart, have a look at the stack column field. Drag a dimension into it. Now your chart has been stacked by this dimension. Alternatively, you can select column mode in the menu to get your chart grouped in columns by that dimension. As a last feature, we want to add a deviation chart between two measures. Drag exactly 2 measures into a delta field. Besides your main chart, a deviation chart is added, comparing these measures. In the menu, you have the choice between absolute, percent, and waterfall deviation chart. We hope this brief overview helps you get started with Innofalls. If you have questions or run into problems, don't hesitate to contact us directly on our website. We are happy to help.